Hey guys, my name is Alden Parmalee, Unboxing Channel, and I'm so excited to bring you today's unboxing of, you guessed it, Amazing Defenders. This is one of the most sought after sets in recent memory in Yu-Gi-Oh cards because it has the pearly cards in it, which is because it's like a cute little like a critter, like a Hello Kitty sort of critter. So we're gonna open these up. We're gonna hope to pull a few of those suckers. All right, let's get into it, guys. Here's the first pack of Yu-Gi-Oh! Amazing Defenders. All right, we got Rescue Ace Airlifter. This is from like the firefighter archetype or something. Some XC bullshit. I don't know what that is. That's Anime Girls. I think that's like a couple of Mikus or something. Gizmek. Now, ooh, I just noticed that all of the... Oh, that's cool. They got like a new foil thing. How about that, guys? Alerts. Ooh, this is a Rescue Ace support card. And there's a... I don't know what this is. This is another anime thing. I don't think... These are ritual cards, so they probably suck. Another one of the Rescue Ace things. All right. Pretty good. Now, guys, we have a few traditions on this channel. If we get 2 bad packs in a row, we're going to do the challenge. Okay, there we go. That's what we like to see. Stray Pearly Street. This is for the Pearly guys. So that's pretty cool. Hope to see. Whoa, hey, whoa. I sold 2 Tales of Noble Knights. This card's used in OTKs. I like this one. There's like a trad wife and then like a emo girl on there. So, you know, you can pick your poison. Mikanko Purification. I don't know what the hell that is. And then another one of the Anime Girls. And then, oh, is it this guy's used on Master Duel for something. All right. Pretty good so far, guys. Pretty happy. What do we got here? Oh, ooh, Pearly Happy Memory. That's a sweet one. So yeah, the Pearly cards, there's like it's just like one little stupid cat and then all of his thoughts or something, and then the XC cards are like him getting excited or something. Another Rescue Ace thing, a nice 1-for-1. That's always good. Machine dupe. Some dragon, the ancient ascended dragon, limited removal. Rhoda. All right. Pretty good. Nothing too bad yet. Nothing to scoff at. All right, what do we got? Infernoble Arms. Oh, guys, I think I see an XC card. Do you think this is a Pearly card? Guys, before I flip from this stupid anime card to the next one, lock in the comment section now. Tell me who's going to win the 2024 election. And tell me what the card's going to be. Oh, guys! Oh, it's Pearly Beauty. This is Pearly when he's really attractive. And, I mean, you can see that from the pose and from how he's carrying himself. Or she. I don't actually know. All right, another one of these. XYZ, whatever. Sacred Samurai. Scrolls of the Samurai. Sacred fucking whatever. Set's like old. I don't think any of this is actually good at all. Set probably sucks. But, you know, whatever. Rescue Ace Fire Attacker. That looks dumb. I don't like cards with stupid planes on them. Preparation of Rites, okay. Oh, hey! There's that anime girl from the other card. Nini, the Mirror Mikanko. Yeah, that's a Hatsune Miku, all right. That's a Miku-type character is what we like to call that. XYZ Reborn. Mikanko Rivalry. Oh, that's cute. One of them's making like an angry face, but you know they're friends. You know they get along at the end of the day, but they're you know, they got some issue. Ooh, Leap. Sure we do. All right, and XYZ Triveler. All right, next up. Nothing too crazy yet so far, guys. We got Pearly Happy Memory again. All right. Piri Race Map. What the hell is any of this? These are made up words. Infernoble Knight Renaud. Okay, Infernoble Knight Roland. He looks scary. He looks like the Seven Deadly Sins guy. I hate that show. Hidden Armory. Limiter Removal. Okay, cool. All right, we're making good time here. God. Really blazing through these, huh? Like the Rescue Ace cards, guys, huh? Fire Truck. Armed Protector Dragon. This card is used in Armed Protector Dragon decks. This is a really amazing card right here. Piri Reese Map. Rescue Ace Fire Engine. That is not a fire engine. That's like a dude. It's not the dude on the cover. That's a different one. Hidden Armory. Mikonko Promise. Sacred Scrolls of the Gizmek Legend. And Sprite's Blessing. But not that Sprite, guys. Not the metal one. It's a different one. Sorry to get your hopes up. None of that in this set. It wasn't out. Oh my god. 2 Armed Protector Dragons. We cannot be getting luckier right now. Contain. Immortal Phoenix Gearfried. Oh, this is for some stupid legacy bullshit. I don't care about that. XYZ Reborn. Double-Edged Sword. Rhoda. Card Trooper. Oh, classic card. All right, if we don't see a good one this next pack, we're going to have to do the potato chip challenge. I don't want to have to do that, guys. It's really yucky. All right, so we got XYZ Import, the Great Mikonko Ceremony, Overlay Region. Oh, this pack sucks. Mikonko, blah, 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 Stupid Sword, Card Trooper. Who fucking cares? All right, guys. I didn't want to have to do this, but for the fans, I'm going to eat 1 kettle chip. These things are so yucky. Oh, yuck. Oh, it's really crunchy. My cards are going to get greasy now from kettle chip dust, guys. No. This sucks. All right. Oh, God, they actually did get greasy. I can't open the fucking pack. All right, what do we got? Rescue Ace. Oh, guys. Oh, I see an XYZ card. You know what that means. I think this might be a Pearly. I think this might be Pearly, like Trauma Memory or something. I don't know. What's the dark one? Like Edgy Memory, Evil Memory. Oh, Pearly Noir. Whoa. Whoa. This is a good one, I think. I think this is like the one good. Oh, Pearly Delicious Memory. Back to back, baby. Hey, in my opinion, when are they going to come out with Pearly Sexy Memory? And it has like Pearly making love for the first time. The cover. Never mind. There's the dragon. Oh, another one. Pearly Happiness. Yeah. And Mikonko, blah, 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 blah. Who cares? We're just in it for the Pearlies, guys. I could have just bought these cards online, but I like opening packs. What can I say? I also like buying lottery tickets. So if you want to send in some fan mail, just send me a lottery ticket. XYZ Import, Rescue Ace, Headquarters, Mikonko, blah, 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 Mikonko, Funny, Rescue Ace, Hydrant, Sky Slasher, Mikonko, Kagura. I don't know why people open these fucking things. Like, just, I don't know. Stupid. Preparation of Rites, Stray Pearly Street, okay, Rescue Ace, Impulse, Machine Duplication, Pearly Delicious Memory, Sacred Scrolls of the Gizmek Legend. That's like our 5th copy of that. Pearl Leap. Woohoo! Whoa, that's a slippery one, guys. This pack is jumping a bit, so it might have something good in it. Block in the comment section below if you think this pack is going to be awesome or not. All right, we got Rescue Ace Headquarters, Stray Pearly Street, Ha-Ray the Sword Mikonko. That sucks. That's a stupid card. Double-Edged Sword, Machine Dupe, Extinguish, and Card Trooper. Okay. Well, maybe the pack was jumping because it was saying, no, don't open me. I suck. I suck so bad. You don't want to even look in here. Rescue Ace, Fire Truck. Oh, guys. Oh, I think it's the same one. It is. Pearly Noir. Let's go. All right. Gizmek, Level, Extinguish, Sprite's Blessing. Okay, cool. Come on, guys. We need to get something to redeem the... Oops. to redeem this box. Because so far, I'm really let down. It's almost like buying these things. It's a bad idea. All right, there's the truck. Contain, Rescue Ace Impulse, fucking, who cares, who cares, who cares? All right, it's all bad. Nothing good so far, nothing good at all. All right, getting a little discouraged, guys. Got Infernoble Arms, Durandal, Rescue Ace Airlifter, Nini, Dragon, Double-Edged Sword, and Pearly Happiness again in Rhoda. Yippee, okay. All right. This one's going to be it, guys. This is going to turn the whole box around. It's going to make it worth it. I'm going to be able to resell this card and make $1 million. Infernoble Arms, Durandal, Pearly Happy Memory, Pearly Epic Memory, Purification Dance. Ooh, Pearly Pretty Memory. Oh, look, he's cute. He's so cute. That's a good one, I think. We're going to put that right here. XYZ Trib Arrivals. All right. So that, so far, is one good card and $1 million cards that suck. Maybe we could build a Rescue Ace deck, guys. Would that be exciting? Rescue Ace, Fire Truck, Armed Dragon. Ooh, X-Pearly Happiness. That's the one from the box. Pew, 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 pew. That's a good one. Mikonko Reflection, Infernoble Knights, Justin Roiland. Can't, the card was made before everything happened, guys. Or, cut that one out. The Great Mikonko Ceremony, Rescue Ace Airlifter, Rescue Ace Monitor, Mikonko Rivalry, blah, blah, blah. Who cares? Same shit, every pack. This shit is mid. This is a mid pack, guys. The Great Mikonko Ceremony, Rescue Ace Headquarters, Gearfried, same cards. I think I've looped through it like twice now. Okay, getting down to the wire. Last 4 packs, better see something good. Preparation of Rites, Armed Protector Dragon, X-Pearly Happiness number 2, woo woo woo, Gizmek Dragon, that's Sprite's Blessing, Pearly Funniness, Preparation of Rites, and Armed Protector. I just realized we haven't even seen one copy of the dude himself. We haven't seen one Pearly. How can we make a Pearly deck without Pearly? The Immortal Arms, Durandal, Stray Pearly Street, X Pearly Beauty, the cutie one, Cutie Beauty, Pearly Delicious Memory, Mikonko Purification, Extinguish, Sprite's Blessing, Immortal Arms, okay. Alright guys, last 2 packs. See if I can get anything good. Make this worth the fucking $80 I paid for it. XYZ Import, Piri Reese Map, Mikonko Fire Dance, who cares? XYZ Reborn, that guy, Card Trooper, nothing. Okay guys, last pack. Let's see it. See anything good? Contain, I can't contain my excitement. Rescue Ace Attacker, Isold. That's it. Are these sets like too old to have a collector's rare or some okay, well, wow. All right, thank you guys. Y'all have a great day.